To make your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to automatically answer calls, you have to turn on answer automatically option and then set the desired duration. To do so, open phone app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select setting, tap answering and ending calls. Next, tap the gray on offset next to answer automatically until the switch on screen to turn it on. Tap answer automatically and then select the desired duration you like to use. As the example, we will select after 5 seconds. By choosing this setting, now your phone will automatically answer calls after the selected duration. In this case, after 5 seconds, while your phone is connected to a headset or a Bluetooth device. Given to the function, you can use this feature so you can easily answer calls without you have to touch your phone, or when you can use your hand to navigate your phone, such as while driving. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.